Here's Clara drinking out of her bottle all by herself. She keeps taking pauses. Bryn's looking along. You want to steal the bottle, don't you, Bryn? Here, do you want me to help you? You can hold it. Can you hold it? Oh. And pick it back up. There we go. Bryn, that's Clara's bottle. You still don't drink out of the bottle, remember? What's she doing? You think that's funny? Here, let me help you. Okay, I've got the bottle. It's for Clara. Clara's bottle. I can't film when you're trying to grab the bottle, Bryn. Oh, all right, we're going to stop this.